Welcome to Toy Mountain. It's the biggest, messiest, bestest place ever. Hi, Bonnie. Ready to play Super Carrot Rescue? I just need to find Super Carrot. He's around here somewhere. Where is he? My mountain is too big. Oof, my poor ears. Ah! My poor ears. This mess is fighting back. Don't worry. We'll do the sorting dance to clear the way. Lung, glung, doom. Pick it up, put it away, put it away. Finding toys is how we play. Look, I can see the floor again. Super Carrot, you were here the whole time. Cleaning up is just the start of the adventure. Yay!